India and France agree to expand partnership in defense and security.
India and France have agreed to strengthen defense and security partnerships by enhancing intelligence and information sharing, bolstering capabilities, expanding military drills, and pursuing new initiatives in maritime, space, and cyber domains. The two countries resolved to expand the defense ties at a meeting of India France Strategic Dialogue that was co chaired by National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and Emmanuel Bonnet, the diplomatic advisor to French President Emmanuel Macron, in Paris. France's reiteration to expand strategic cooperation with India comes nearly 2 months after the unveiling of a new security alliance by Australia, the UK, and the US, perceived as a counter to China's aggression in the Indo Pacific region. The unexpected announcement of the alliance, which involves building submarines for Australia, had angered the French government after Canberra pulled out of a separate submarine deal with Paris. The Indian embassy further said that India and France agreed to strengthen bilateral defense and security partnership through enhanced intelligence and information sharing, operational cooperation, bolstering mutual capabilities, expanding bilateral exercises, and pursuing new initiatives in maritime, space, and cyber domains. In the strategic dialogue and other meetings, France stressed its continuing commitment to the Indo Pacific region as a resident power and partnership with India as a major pillar of its strategy for the region. The embassy added that the two sides reaffirmed the vision articulated by Modi and Macron most recently during their meeting on the margins of the G20 summit in Rome.